2 to the letter. Any violation shall lead to cancellation of the bail terms. In terms of companies charged, I have considered that they are legal persons who cannot be sent to jail. Hence, the bail terms will be a consolidation to be met by their legal representative. To be very clear, the bond terms on the legal representative alone will suffice for the limited liability companies. Now, the accused are admitted to the following bond terms. Accused 1 to a bond of 30 million with one surety of similar amount and a cash bail of Kenya shillings 15 million. Accused 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 to a bond of Kenya shillings 3 million with one surety of similar amount or to a cash bail of Kenya shillings 3 million. For accused 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17 to a bond of Kenya shillings 30 million with one surety of similar amount or a cash bail of Kenya shillings 10 million. The accused who have not taken plea will only have their bonds processed after plea. All parties in the case, including but not limited to the office of the DPP, the EACC, the accused are hereby prohibited from commenting on this case on social media in whatsoever manner, and that should be taken seriously. The court, by virtue of the above pronouncements on Ngugi J and Ngenye J, directed that accused be barred from office. If need be, he can be escorted. The court, by virtue of the pronouncements of Ngugi J and Ngenye J, directs that accused 1 be barred from office. If need be, he can be escorted to his office by the IO in this case or any other authorized officer